The zeros of the graph are also known as the roots or the solutions or the x-intercepts. So those are listed right here for us. So it's at -4 and 0. Okay, the axis of symmetry is where we need our formula. X equals -b over 2a if you're given the equation. Or you can look for the fold line or the crease, or you can average the zeros. So here, since we already found the zeros, it might just be quicker and easier to just add the -4 and 0 to get -4 and divide by 2, which is -2. Or like I said, we can look at the crease line. The axis of symmetry is at -2. And then for the max or min, we're looking to see if it has a highest point or a lowest point as the vertex. This is definitely a maximum. And if we find the vertex, it's at -2, 4. -2 on the x, 4 on the y. And remember, the maximum is or minimum is a y value. You could take it right from the vertex. So it has a maximum at 4. It's like the height of it. The height is at 4. Okay, for number 2, let's take a look at this one. So the zeros of the graph, remember those are solutions, roots, or what we're used to probably is the x-intercept. So the x-intercept or intercepts in this case is at -2. The axis of symmetry would be the fold line. So it's x equals -2. I don't think I put the equation here, but it really kind of needs to be on the last one. Okay, and then for the max or min, it's at the bottom. So this is a minimum, and again, the height level is at 0. That's the y value, and I can see that when I do the vertex is at -2, 0. And so my max or min will come from that number, 0. Okay, we'll try one more. So the zeros of this graph, again, roots, solutions, or x-intercepts are other words for them. So we have -3 and 3. For the axis of symmetry, we can use, if we were given the equation, we can use x equals -b over 2a, or we could just look to see where this parabola would fold in half for the crease line, or we can average the zeros. So -3 plus 3 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. So remember, that's an equation of a line. So it's x equals 0. Okay, for the max or min, it's going to be that bottom point. So that means that it's a minimum. And then again, the height is at -9. It looks like it's just at 9, but remember all these numbers below 0 are negative. So -9. And the vertex is at 0, -9. The max and min will come from that xy coordinate.